INNIO's global distribution network provides a sophisticated spare parts network. One of our main parts distribution centers is located in Nuremberg, Germany. With more than 17,000 square meters of storage space, this center is responsible for warehousing, professional packaging, and shipping. This means that throughout Europe, we can supply our OEM spare parts within 24 hours and handle more than 65,000 deliveries per year for you. INNIO Jenbacher Energy Solutions. Everywhere, every time.